Hey guys, today I will show you how to fix AltDeploy plugins problem in Mac Sierra. In this video I will show you how to fix incompatible plugin in Mail app. And this problem happened because AltDeploy does not support the version 11.5 of Mail app. Before I show you how to fix the problem, I will show you exactly what the problem is. Okay, now let's open AltDeploy. Now click on the AltDeploy menu here. Now click Install Mail plugin. Now here enter your device password, then press enter. As you can see here, the plugin was installed successfully. Now open Mail app to enable the plugin. As you can see here, incompatible Mail plugin. The Mail app has disabled this plugin. This problem happened because AltDeploy does not support the version 11.5 of Mail app. Okay guys, to find out, open Finder. Now open Applications folder. Now click on AltDeploy. Now here choose Show Package Contents. Now open Contents folder. Now here open Resources folder. Now here open AltDeploy.main bundle folder. Now open Contents folder. Now here you will find info.plist file. Now open this file with text edit. As you can see here guys, AltDeploy supports these versions of Mail app. AltDeploy does not support the version 11.5 of Mail app. It supports the version 11, then the version 12, then the version 13. And this is why the plugin did not work in the version 11.5 of Mail app. As you can see here, version 11.5 is not supported. Now I will show you how to fix this problem easily. First, close Mail app. After closing the Mail app, now remove the plugin if you installed it. Just go to AltDeploy menu from here. Now here click Remove Mail plugin. Now here enter your device password. As you can see here, the plugin has been removed. Okay, now all you have to do is just download this file from download link below this video. After downloading the file, open it. Now you will find this file, info.plist file. This file will fix the problem of the Mail plugin. Now open Applications folder. Now click on AltDeploy. Now choose Show Package Contents. Now open Contents folder. Now open Resources folder. Now here open AltDeploy.mail bundle folder. Now open Contents folder. Now here you will find info.plist file. Now all you need to do is move this file to this folder. As you can see here, in the original file, it does not support version 11.5 of Mail app. But in this modified file that I have modified, you will find support for version 11.5 of Mail app and Mac Sierra 10.13.6. I have modified this file and added support for version 11.5 as you can see here. I also added some information about version 10.13.6. Okay, now move the modified file over the original file. Now here click Replace. Now everything should work fine. Now open AltDeploy. Now click on the AltDeploy menu here. Now click Install Mail plugin. Here enter your device password, then press enter. As you can see here, the plugin was successfully installed. Now open the Mail app. As you can see, the plugin worked without any problem. Now I will try to install an app on my iOS device. Okay, open AltDeploy menu. Now choose Apple ID. Now here enter your Apple ID account, then click Save. Now connect your device. As you can see, my device is now connected. Now choose the app you want to install. I will choose Twitter++ app. As you can see, everything is working fine. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.